What do you have to do in your life, whether you're in a sticks and bricks or in an RV, that's not really fun? For us, and me in particular, it's seeing the dentist. Don't get me wrong, our dentist is wonderful. It's just not a whole lot of fun, especially for me. It's been 3 weeks and we're moving again. Yep, just 10 minutes away, but it's still a process. We're used to doing it though.
Well, we're in our new park and everything's normal and great. Grizzy loves to come someplace different because it gives him an opportunity to re-sniff some old scents. Well, we've made it to our, I guess it's a new park. Actually, it's an old park. One that we keep coming back to. It's at the Meridian RV Resort. Really nice place. And this week, we've got another doctor's visit. This one will be for Shelley, and it's a tooth scraping. We see the hygienist, and she's going to get her teeth taken care of. And then next week, I think I get mine done. It's not fun for her, and it's not even fun for me. Most people that I've talked to when it comes to having your teeth cleaned kind of akin it to strapped into a chair and then somebody grating their nails down a blackboard. Ugh. But you know what? You need to get it done because your teeth are really tied into your health, heavily tied into your heart and head health as well. So you want to make sure you take care of them. And it's even more important as we get older. It's just an odd thing to have to sit there and have things taken care of like that. But we're going to do it and get it over with, and then we're going to be back on our regular 3 weeks here at this park before we move back over to Monte Vista. It's the dog days of summer for sure. It's definitely getting hot. It was 107 yesterday, and man, it's tough even with 3 ACs to keep it cool enough to be comfortable inside. So we'll work our way through. It's kind of like leaving the fridge door open. If you open it up, it takes 20 to 30 minutes for the thing to try and cool back down. And with the ACs in an RV, the walls are so thin and there's not a whole lot of insulation anywhere in them that it takes a while to make it comfortable again. Arizona is definitely not the place to be while you're dealing with this kind of heat, but it's not going to be bad. We're going to get through it. We're going to just hunker down and work our way out of it. Off to the dentist at about 1 o'clock and then back home and get a chance to rest and relax. Fix up something nice to eat and take it easy. So, Grizz is rooting in the dirt. Stop that. So we'll talk at you in a little bit. Talk to you later. Bye.
Hey Insiders, we're still hoping to see more selfies of your fantastic summers. This park has been one of our regulars for the last few years, while Chris has been going through his cancer treatments. It is convenient and friendly, and we do enjoy our stays. That's the dump valve for our galley tank at the back of the rig. I'm so glad that Chris and my little angel, Grizzy, are here for me.
Everything went great at the dentist. Shelley was a great patient, nervous, as you'd expect. But she did really well, and she got rave reviews from the hygienist on how well she'd been taking care of her teeth. There were some issues, but it's all going to be taken care of here before too long. It's all part of life, and then next week I'm going to get my opportunity to do the same thing. It won't be bad. Grizz was absolutely cool. He's always the star. Everybody wants to say hello to him. They all know him, and they get a big kick out of seeing him come in too. And he was so sweet, just sitting there and taking care of Shelley as best he could, trying to understand everything that was going on. We've had some interesting weather over the last couple of days. I mean, in the evenings, as soon as the sun starts to go down, we've had the winds come up, and it threatened to rain really hard. And then nothing, not even a light sprinkle. More Arizona. We'll see how things go. And next week, I get my opportunity to have a turn in the chair, and I'm hoping everything goes as good with me too. It's been hot. It's been 107 plus, and it's just not a whole lot of fun. But if we keep the doors closed and we take it easy, we'll do fine. One thing we're looking into is possibly buying one of those, it's like a cooler that's a refrigerator. They call them car refrige freezers. And maybe that'll help us out with this Norcold, the 18 cubic foot that we've got in the RV, not handling the heat so well, and allow us to keep frozen things frozen, because it's really getting close. We've actually had to put the cheap Amazon fan in the back of the RV's refrigeration unit for the Norcold to see if we can help keep it a little bit cooler. And it's working for right now, but it's going to get to 118 again, and then nothing's going to work. And we don't want to lose whatever meat and food we've gotten saved up, because at that point the freezer just becomes a very light cooler. All a part of RV life. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for coming along on this journey. We appreciate it.
Thanks to everyone for your support. We look forward to seeing you again next week and every Sunday at 5 p.m. Please, travel safe.